Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing great. So in this video we're going to analyze Binance Coin, BNBUSDT. We're going to look at what possibilities do we have for the upcoming week, what we can expect from Binance Coin, what could be the highs or the lows, or what could be the structures that can represent themselves in the Binance Coin, and what we have missed in the past. So without further delay, let's get right into it. So to analyze, I'm using TradingView, and right now I'm on weekly time frame on TradingView. So on weekly time frame you can clearly see from the representations, and even if I remove the representations, you can clearly see the market is moving towards the downside. Hence the Binance Coin is in a bearish trend. We move towards the downside, an impulse, correction, impulse, another correction, and right now possibly an impulse is in for the formation, an impulse is happening. So what happened for the previous week? The week before previous week, we have a really nice big bearish engulfer, and the market moved towards the downside. But for this week, for current week, we have closed bullish. The market didn't manage to close below, and hence we have a bullish candle on a weekly time frame. Now this doesn't mean the bearish trend is over and we are out of bearish trend and we are going to move towards the upside. No, that is wrong. We are not bearish, we're not bullish, we are still bearish. This count this bullish move as a pullback. So as you can see, let me zoom in and show you even clearly. So what happens is market make a move toward the downside, decide the direction, then creates a pullback, and then again decides the direction, makes a big move. And as you can see, we have covered 2 weeks worth of distance in just 1 week. And let's ignore this stuff and let's decide what we can expect from Binance Coin for this week and what we have missed. So for that, let me go to a daily time frame to analyze it over there. So right now I'm on daily time frame, and the first thing I can see is the day before yesterday we have a really nice bearish pin bar, a really nice I don't know the name exactly, but if I'm not wrong, we call it as a hammer candle. The low and the closing price is the same. So let's stick with bearish pin bar, and the market gave us a bearish pin bar on daily time frame. That is a very strong sign. If we combine it with the zone, with the line, our resistance line at 268 to 86.5 ish price level, so combined with that, this bearish pin bar is a very strong signal that the market is going to continue our journey towards the downside, the bearish side. But there are other possibilities as well. If you can see, we have showed a double bottom here. Let me draw that. We have showed a double bottom here. First we got rejected from this side, made a bottom, then we got rejected from the exact level at this side. Hence this is forming a double bottom. Now based on this structure, we can say the market can move towards the upside. But overall on weekly time frame, on even daily time frame, let me zoom out so you can see that we are in a bearish trend. So we are on a bearish trend. The signal, the price action is telling us right now, the current price action, not of past 2 weeks price action, because past 2 price action gave us a double bottom and we are moving towards the upside. But the current price action combined with the level at 286.5 ish price area and the pin bar is showing us that we are going to continue our journey towards the downside. The trend is downside, the price action is downside, hence it has a high probability that we will continue towards the downside. But still we can't ignore the double bottom, and considering the double bottom, we can move towards the upside. So what if market moves towards the upside, and what should we do if we continue our journey towards the downside? So to analyze that, let me go to on a lower time frame, 4-hour time frame. So for on 4-hour time frame, I have drawn the possibility for the double bottom. For the double bottom, we are supposing the market is going to continue its journey towards the upside with the bullish trend, not actually trend, with the bullish move. So if we manage to break this 286.5 ish area, there is a high probability, a high chance that we can get reject from this zone, this yellow zone, and then we continue our journey towards the bearish side. Exactly, as you know, obviously the other possibility is based on the price action and the overall trend, we continued our journey towards the downside without any restriction, without any hindrance, we are going towards the downside. But we need to consider both scenarios, both bullish and bearish scenarios, because you can't become more conscious inside the market, because trading is risky and you can lose all of your capital. So you need to be very conscious while trading, and be extremely conscious while you're managing your risk. So that's it with this video for the Binance coin, that we have two possibilities. One is based on the structure, the double bottom, we can move towards the upside. But even if we move towards the upside, the strong zone is standing in the way, where from which the market can get reject and continue its journey towards the downside. Or considering the price action and overall trend, based on the bearish pin bar and the structure and the line 286.5ish area, we can continue our journey towards the downside. So look for a confirmation to see the continuation, and overall my bias is bearish with the Binance coin. And that's it for this video. If you get any value out of the video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in next video with another pair.